Which planet is known as the red planet? Answer: B. Mars. Which planet is the largest in the solar system? Answer: C. Jupiter. What is the name of our galaxy? Answer: B. Milky Way. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Answer: A. Mercury. Which planet has a prominent ring system? Answer: A. Saturn. What is the name of Earth's natural satellite? Answer: C. Moon. Which planet is known for its great red spot? Answer: A. Jupiter. Which planet is often called Earth's twin because of its similar size? Answer: A. Venus. What is the term for a small rocky body that orbits the Sun, mostly found between Mars and Jupiter? Answer: B. Asteroid. Which planet has the fastest orbital period around the Sun? Answer: A. Mercury. What is the name of the icy body with a glowing tail that orbits the Sun? Answer: A. Comet. Which dwarf planet was reclassified in 2006? Answer: C. Pluto. Which planet has a tilted axis that causes extreme seasons? Answer: B. Uranus. Which planet is known for its blue color due to methane in its atmosphere? Answer: B. Neptune. What is the main component of the Sun? Answer: B. Hydrogen. What do we call a body that enters Earth's atmosphere and lands on the surface? Answer: C. Meteorite. Which planet has the most moons, as of recent counts? Answer: A. Saturn. Which object orbits a planet? Answer: B. Moon. Which planet is known for having a very slow rotation, a day longer than its year? Answer: A. Venus. What is the name of the region beyond Neptune filled with small icy bodies? Answer: A. Kuiper Belt. What force keeps planets in orbit around the Sun? Answer: B. Gravity. Which planet is known for its extensive system of faint rings discovered in the 18th to 20th centuries? Answer: A. Uranus. What are the small, icy bodies that form a cloud far beyond Pluto called? Answer: B. Oort cloud objects. Which planet's surface is dominated by iron oxide, giving it a reddish appearance? Answer: A. Mars. What is the name of the spacecraft that provided close-up images of Pluto in 2015? Answer: B. New Horizons. Out of 25 questions, how many did you get correct? Share your score in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quiz challenges.